to show you guys how to create a stem and leaf plot. And a stem and leaf plot is just another way to display data. Now the way a stem and leaf plot works is you rearrange your numbers so that you put the ones place as a leaf and everything before it is a stem. And when they are arranged, it puts them in order from smallest to largest. So there's a couple of ways you can do it. One, you can go ahead and reorder your numbers from smallest to largest here, or you can go through and put your stems and put your leaves and then just kind of play around and try to make sure they're in order from least to greatest. I'm going to go ahead and write them in order from least to greatest just so that way I make sure I include everything and I don't mess up. So I've got 7 and 8, so I'm going to go ahead and mark them off. I have 10, 14, 15, so I'm going to go ahead and write those down. I have 18, 21, and 21. Then I have 29, 29, and then am I left with 44? Yeah. Alright, so my smallest number here is 7 and my largest number is 44. So that means that I need to include stems that go from 0 to 4. And I know that sounds kind of weird because you're thinking where's the 0, but 7 is the same thing as 0, 7. Like, so 7 is in the ones place and the 0 is in the tens place. So I need to have my 7 as my leaf, but I need to have something in front of it as a stem, kind of like a placeholder. So that's where the 0 comes from. So I've got 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now I'm going to go through and put the leaves in here. So I have 7, and then I have 8, I have 10, 14, 15, and 18. I have 21, 21, 29, 29, and then I have 44. You still have to keep this 3 here just as, again, as like a placeholder just to kind of keep everything organized. But now you can see these are all the numbers in order from smallest to largest. I'm not separating them by commas. And now with this, I could then use a stem and leaf plot pretty easily to help me figure out what the median is. I can tell what the mode is. I can even find the mean. One common problem that people make is if I said, okay, what is the what is the mode of this data? The mode is not 1. Just because there are more ones here than anything else, that doesn't mean that 1 is the mode. You have to actually match the stem with the leaf. So there are more the mode would be 21 and 29 because there are more 21s and 29s here than anything else. So just make sure that you don't make that common mistake and just looking at just the leaf. You've got to put the leaf with the stem.